Just grab one of these. So I've cooked it like that, so it's fairly well done. Gonna taste a piece now. Wow, divine. You kids are not eating any of these lamb chops.
I am.
You're not?
I am.
They're all from my belly.
I'll take the pencil.
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Lamb chops. Had loads and loads of emails about this. Very simple. We're going to cook these with lemon, garlic and olive oil. Delicious. Okay, let's have a look at these. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lamb chops there. I'm using a New Zealand lamb. Qualities can, vary quite a lot. These are beautiful, really beautiful, quite expensive. Simply what we're going to do is get some olive oil, salt, pepper, a few other little bits on them. Delicious. Okay, so we've got our lamb chops in there. We're going to hit that with like a tablespoon of roughly chopped garlic. A couple of tablespoons of lemon juice. Then we'll get some salt in there. We're going to get some black pepper. And then we're going to go with some olive oil. About 2 to 1 olive oil to lemon juice. I'm going to just go in with my hand, give that a little mix around. Plastic wrap, shrink wrap, whatever you call it, cling film. Get that in the refrigerator for at least an hour. I'm probably going to leave mine for about 4 hours. See you then. So just a little time in the refrigerator, up to you. But that gives it a chance, to kind of get all that garlic and that seasoning just into the lamb. Let's get to the cooker. This is so simple. So frying pan or skillet or something like that. I've just added a little touch more olive oil. We're just going to take these guys out, drop them in. We're on a medium heat. Don't go crazy with them. The reason you don't want to go crazy is because we've got a bone in there, of course. We need to cook that through properly. So simply going to just drop these in. And these are going to be really delicious. Now any excess lemon, garlic and oil, get it in now. It will burn off. I'm going to be turning these over every couple of minutes. They're probably going to take about 8 minutes, I would say, on a kind of medium heat. See you then. Okay, so the lemon juice is now evaporated out, pumping some lovely flavours into the lamb, of course, and keeping them nice and moist. At this point, we're frying. Delicious. Okay, I'm going to go off with the heat. These are perfect for me. Now, some people like their lamb chops really pink in the middle, some well done. I don't mind either way, actually. But yeah, these look beautiful to me. You can get them a little bit more crispy if you like, but that's it. Let me get these on a plate. Okay, and there you go. So easy. They are beautiful. Like I say, get them how you want, nice and pink inside, or well done, up to you. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.